point, the CJP protest in Delhi remains on a day after violent clashes with police during the Sansad Chalo march. Protesters have returned to Jantar Mantar after police dismantled the site, while CJP chief Abhijit Tipke apologized to supporters allegedly injured in the crackdown. Activist Sonam Wangchuk has also extended his indefinite hunger strike. Kritika joins in with a ground report.
Day after, thousands of protesters stormed the heart of national capital on call of the Cockroach Janata Party's Chalo Sansad March. We're now seeing that hundreds of them continue to, in fact, camp at the Jantar Mantar site. On your screens, you'll be able to see the stage, which earlier had the banner of hunger strike or the logo of the Cockroach Janata Party. Currently, all of that has been removed. It's in tatters. In fact, camps that were set up by student body groups as well, which again carried multiple banners, have also been removed as of yesterday. Currently, as of this morning, again, there are about 200 to 300 of protesters present at this very site. Now, Delhi police also is claiming that they will be taking up investigations into the manner in which yesterday's protest was carried out. Remember, we saw, in fact, heavy clash between the protesters as well as the police forces. There was heavy deployment of the RAF, of the Delhi police, as well as of the CRPF forces as well. As per Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, about 75 to 100 cases were registered in the Department of Surgery. When it comes to injured protesters, the Delhi police, however, continues to claim that 118 of their personnel have also been injured. Remember, Sonam Wangchuk continues to be on his hunger strike. He stated that unless and until their representatives meet more members of, in fact, the government and assurances are given, his strike will continue. He had yesterday consented to oral rehydration therapy, but his fasting continues at the Safdarjung hospital. They have accused protesters of engaging in violence as well. So that will be taken up. The statements of protesters will also be recorded, and the cases of heckling of the press will also, in fact, be looked into.